Loosen the tensioner screw. Remove the chain. Loosen the tension wheel screw on the other side. Loosen the motor fixing nut. Remove the screws of the anti-detachment plate. The operation method on the other side is the same. Release the cable tie and disconnect the motor cable. Remove the motor. Loosen the screw and remove the transmission gear. Remove the nut washer and anti-rotation plate. Install the transmission gear onto the new motor. Tighten the screws. Install the anti-rotation plates on both sides. Install the motor. Align the anti-rotation plate with the hole position. Connect the motor wires. Install the chain. Install anti-fall board and washer nuts. Tighten the tensioner screw. The operation method on the other side is the same. Replacement completed.